Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are by Reading and we are giving you an update on the Pinnacle. Now this structure is moving at lightning speed. It's being done by China Harbour Engineering Company and they are moving. Now this building is one of 4 towers that are going to be 28 floors each. And each one of these buildings at 28 floors will be the tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest building in the Caribbean. It's an ultra luxury development, and the developers of the Pinnacle announced recently that they have signed a deal with the second largest hotel group in the world, and that group is also the largest hospitality lifestyle group in the world, and they are going to manage the hotel for this property. Now, as we said, it's going to be 4 towers. They're building 2 now and they should be finished by 2027, and then the additional 2 will be built after, and 3 will be used as residential units and 1 will be operated as a hotel. And there you can see the building. I'm trying to figure out, if I was to estimate, I would say they're past 10 floors. Guys, what do you think? Leave your comments in the section below, but remember it's going to 28 floors, but I don't think they've reached halfway yet. Just by an estimated guess, I'd say they are at about 10 floors. But they are moving. We will give you guys updates on this development every 2 weeks. This development and the one also in Montego Bay by Lilliput, which is the construction of the Unico Hotel. I've never seen developments move so fast in Jamaica. Really impressed. This one is a Chinese contractor, China Harbour Engineering Company, and the one in Montego Bay, the Hotel Unico, is another Spanish contractor from the Dominican Republic. And Czech is actually doing a development in Miami Bay, moving quickly also. We'll give you guys updates on all these developments every 2 weeks. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.